Hi everybody, this is Tori with Hughes Wave Motion Machines, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick video of the setup that I just designed for a little bit more efficiency when I go into production mode for the Hughes Wave Motion Machine here pretty soon. What brought this system about is that I just got an order last week for about 12 wave cells, and thank you guys for doing that for me. It was a group buy through Facebook and everybody supported me, knowing that I'm trying to release these machines. So I do appreciate that. Just want to shout those guys out. And basically what I found was during that time of me having to fill each one of those vessels one at a time, it was pretty time consuming. So basically this is a wave cell on the desk here, and each one of these units takes me about 12 to 15 minutes to fill. It's a lot of time considering that the first run of the Hughes Wave Motion Machines is going to consist of 100 units. So that's a lot of time spent filling and closing and sealing. So what I've done is design this system here, which consists of a reservoir here. Yes, it's a bucket, but I like to call it a reservoir to sound fancy. That's the engineer in me. And that port here on the bottom leads to a main valve, which feeds all the fluids, whether it be the oil section or the water section of the Hughes Wave Motion Machine's fluid formula, because it's usable with both. That feeds a manifold here that has 5 ports made from custom bent brass tubing on each side. Get a good shot of that for you. It was quite the chore to get those brass tubes through the rubber plug, but I devised a method that worked pretty well. So moving along, that all feeds into 1/4-inch tubing, which each one of these tubes have its own valve that can be shut off individually, so that I can fill 1 to 10 vessels at a time. I don't always have to do 10. I can do 1 to 10 because I can shut each one of these off individually. So right now what we have here is one wave cell by itself, just one little lonely wave cell. So what I'm going to do is turn on the main valve, and all of these are shut off right now. They should be anyway. Actually, this one is open that's connected to the wave cell here. And this is what I used before. Previously I was using a pitcher, or a graduated cylinder, you could call it, graduated pitcher, and a small mouth funnel to fill each individual machine at a time. Pretty painstaking. Lots of mess too as well. Now, I can simply, if I can do this with one hand, turn the main valve on, and that one valve should be open. And there we go. Depending on the amount of fluid that I put into the reservoir up there, I can walk away and all 10 vessels, or 1 or 2 or 7, will fill up on their own and stop. Meanwhile, I can be packing your orders for wave chains and wave tubes and wave cells and machines coming soon, while my setup here does all the work for me. So it's just a little something I wanted to share with you guys so that you can get an idea of the fact that I am progressing towards releasing the machines. It's just a painstaking process when you're doing all this work by yourself, but I'm still going for it. Just be patient with me. In the meantime, if you search eBay for wave cell, wave tube, or wave chain, all one word for all 3 of those, you can find all the products that I have available now. And if you click on my store there, you'll see all the services I offer for the vintage machines as well. So just be sure to tune in to facebook.com/Wave Motion Machines for the most current updates. Take care, and thanks for watching.